Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important and often overlooked, the benefits of drinking water. Let's dive in. Benefit number 1, improves physical performance. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining peak physical performance. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, reduced motivation, and difficulty regulating body temperature. Drinking enough water helps keep your energy levels high and improves endurance during exercise. Benefit number 2, boosts brain function. Did you know that even mild dehydration can impair brain function? Studies have shown that dehydration can affect mood, concentration, and memory. Drinking water helps keep your brain sharp and functioning at its best. Benefit number 3, aids in weight loss. Drinking water can help you lose weight by increasing feelings of fullness and boosting your metabolism. Try drinking a glass of water before meals to help control your appetite and reduce calorie intake. Plus, replacing sugary drinks with water can significantly cut down on your daily calorie consumption. Benefit number 4, enhances skin health. Hydrated skin looks healthier and more radiant. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin moisturized and can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps flush out toxins that can lead to breakouts. Benefit number 5, supports digestive health. Water is essential for good digestion. It helps break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients. Staying hydrated also prevents constipation and helps maintain a healthy digestive tract. Benefit number 6, regulates body temperature. Water plays a vital role in regulating your body temperature. Sweating during physical activity or hot weather helps cool your body, but it also means you lose water. Drinking enough water ensures your body can maintain a stable temperature. And finally, benefit number 7, flushes out toxins. Drinking water helps your kidneys remove waste from your blood and excrete it through urine. Staying hydrated supports kidney function and helps prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections. And there you have it, 7 amazing benefits of drinking water. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your overall health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.